everybody. On the behalf of Roop Automotives Limited, I, Sakshi Madan, would like to welcome all in our Research and Development Center of the Roop Automotives Limited.
Hello everybody, my name is Sachindra Sharma and I am looking after Research and Development function of Roop Automotives Limited. Roop Automotives is engaged in manufacturing of yokes, universal joints, intermediate shafts, steering sub-assemblies and column assemblies for Tier 1 suppliers across the globe. We are the largest manufacturers of yokes in the world and we produce around 35 million yokes per annum. And all the global manufacturers of passenger cars are using our products. Roop Automotive established their R&D in year 2012 with the vision of doing some kind of basic innovative research in the field of processes, product design and manufacturing so that we can compete with the global competitors across in the field of productivity, cost and quality. We are doing our R&D in the field of product design, process design, and we are also improving our existing processes for mass manufacturing. The main objective of our R&D was to improve the processes, to innovate the processes, to improve the quality of the product and to cater the demand of the technical complexity and tight tolerances of our customers. So we are continuously engaged in innovating and finding new processes and new design methods, and we are applying our capability of simulation with the help of CAE software so that we can come up with the global standard of technological advancement for our customers. Currently we are doing two major projects. One is single piece tube yoke which is a replacement of one assembly which comprises yoke and tube welded together. So by doing this project we will be able to eliminate the welding process, which is considered as a very critical process and a special process. So it is always said that no welding is the best welding. So we are eliminating the welding process.
I am Pramod, working in R&D center. Will make tube yoke from switching process on hydraulic press from this tube.
Second project is we are doing is converting our existing single welding double cardan yoke into no welded double cardan yoke. That is again will be made from a seamless tube. So on those projects we are working. Third project we are working is nut forming on hot forging, in which we are doing hot forming process so that the complexity of the tool is reduced and the life is increased and the length of the thread is increased to cater the requirement of the customer. So these three projects we are working on.
I'm Nilanshi and I'm in charge of R&D floor area. Here we are doing nut boss forming by hot rolling process.
Our R&D division is segmented into 4 parts. First is product engineering, which is doing the documentation part and process flow diagrams and other activities like preparing control plans and PFMEA. Second segment is the NPD section, which converts the actual input from product engineering into samples, and they do manufacturing on a shop floor and test the samples. They verify the process flow made by product engineering, and they convert the inputs of product engineering into real product, physical product. Third segment is our testing lab, which caters to our all the testing requirements, and we keep on adding new machines and new methods of testing so that we don't miss any kind of failure which can reach to the customer.
This is our looseness testing machine. In this machine we can check here the 10 lbs inch to 16 lbs inches any universal joints. This is a universal testing machine. The maximum capacity of this machine 15 Newton. This is another torsional fatigue tester. The maximum capacity of this machine is 3 Hz. This is also same fatigue testing tester machine, and the difference between the previous machine and this machine is only the frequency. This capacity of this machine frequency is the 15 Hz. This is a torsal strength checking machine. This machine, the capacity of this machine is a 700 Newton meter maximum. On this machine we can check the torsal strength of any tube, any universal joint. This is a 7-step endurance testing machine. In this machine we can check the we can apply the 7 type of torque within a single program. This is a fully rotational torsional fatigue tester. On this fatigue tester we can check the we can conduct the 2 type of tests. One is the simple rotational test, and second is the rotational test with the climate conditions.
The fourth segment is our R&D quality checking team, which is dedicated to quality check of all the material which is produced, so that our testing results are in sync with our specific requirements and specifications.
मेरा नाम चंद्रभान है। ये मटेरियल एनालिसिस मशीन है। इससे हम हर कंपोनेंट चेक करते हैं।
Welcome to Roop Automotive's manufacturing plant. It is our main plant of domestic yokes. This plant has 6 lines. In all lines, we made yokes for different suppliers and different models. Now I will show you our main domestic line.